Aloha and welcome to the 12th edition of the GDM Car Show. We are here at the Bluffs of Obsidian Mountain Raceway with some new arrivals. They actually came in a while back, but with all the construction here on the OMR, now we have time to show you. So come on in and let's have a look around. First up, we got this aerodynamic from the 2023 Mystery Model Series 1. First produced in 2013, its debut series was the Hot Wheels Race Team. The aerodynamic is a small single-seater car which seems to go well for use in some forms of open-wheel racing. In 2016, it received a retooling. Here we have the Formula Flashback, another 2023 Mystery Model Series 1 car. This casting first produced in 2016 and debuted in the Hot Wheels Race Team. Formula Flashback is a Hot Wheels original design based on a vintage Grand Prix race car with a ginormous tail wing. Here we have the Track Ripper, another 2023 Mystery Model Series 1 car. This particular casting was produced first in 2018 and debuted in the Musclemania series. Track Ripper is the new model for the 2018 and current mainline. Has a modified muscle car design similar to the GT Hunter. Here we have the 24/7, one car I really like. From the 2023 Mystery Model Series 1, first produced in 2003, it debuted in the 2003 First Edition series. The 24/7 is an original tuner car similar to a third-generation Mazda RX-7. This is a 1990 Honda Civic EF, first produced in 2014 and debuted in the Hot Wheels City Nightburner set. The Honda Civic EF is a compact hatchback variant of the EF chassis, which was part of the Civic's fourth generation of production. This particular JDM has a DOH VTEC engine. And here we have the Honda Civic Custom, first produced in 2022. Debut series is the Hot Wheels J Imports. This casting depicts a heavily modified EG generation Honda Civic intended for drag racing. And we have a character car here, Spider-Man from the Disney 100th Anniversary Character Car Set, as a continuing part of the Marvel Character Cars collections. This is a 2023 version from a set of only two, this one and the Iron Man car, according to the images on the back of the card. Here we have a 73 Holden Monaro GTS, first produced in 2022, debuted in the Hot Wheels Boulevard Premium packaging or premium line. The Honda Monaro is Australian rear-wheel drive coupe, produced by General Motors. Here we have the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. Many of you might be familiar with these, see a lot of them racing on the tracks. This particular one is a Zamac, and the first ever Zamac I've ever found for myself. This casting replicates the Group B rally version of the Audi Quattro from 1984. And I found a Snoopy car. Normally I'm not into the fantasy cars and stuff like this, but it's Snoopy, right? First produced in 2014, debuted in the Hot Wheels City Tuned 2. Snoopy has 2 casting variations. And this is a beautiful McLaren Senna. First produced in 2019-2020, debuted in the Hot Wheels Exotics collection. The McLaren Senna is a Hot Wheels casting which is based on the real-life vehicle manufactured in 2018, named after the legendary Formula One McLaren driver Ayrton Senna. It's car 1 from the Car Culture Premium Pack, and here's car 2 from that set. The McLaren 720S, first produced in 2018, debuted in the Factory Fresh series. British sports car designed and manufactured by McLaren Automotive. It's the second brand of a new car in the McLaren Super Series, replacing the McLaren 650S. And we have a 2016 Ford GT number 67. These were first produced in 2017 and debuted in the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series. The 2016 Ford GT race casting depicts the Ford GT GTE, which raced from 2016 until 2019 in the FIA World Endurance Championship. And here is its kin, another 2016 Ford GT race number 69. This one also was produced in 2017 originally, debuted in the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics set or series, and with the exception of the paint and livery under the shell, it is an identical twin to the number 67. And here is a custom van I put together, the Green Lantern's Corpse van. Originally a 70s van from the 2022 Hot Wheels Art Car series. I customized it with some black smoke and metal flake paint job. Added some Green Lantern figure, the power battery, and GL Corpse decals that I printed out myself. And I found this Tesla semi and box trailer. Came along with the Tesla 2020 Roadster. And here is a M2 that was the Maui Hauler 70 Dodge L6 CO with that 41 Willys gasser. And as you saw there, I found another Warp Speeder treasure hunt, so now I have 3 of those in that casting. This is a custom Datsun 240Z, first produced in 2017. Debut series was the Factory Fresh line. Japanese car culture themed multi-pack was released in late 2022, and all these cars were made in Malaysia. Interesting fact, the real-life car of this version, the Fugu Z, was owned by Sung Kang, who portrayed Han in the Fast and Furious series. Here we have a 70 Toyota Celica, first produced in 2013 and debuted in the Hot Wheels City Street Power collection. The 70 Celica is a casting portraying the GT badge variation of the first generation Toyota Celica Coupe. Here's a Subaru WRX STI, first produced in this casting 2012, debuting in the 2012 New Models line. Subaru WRX STI is based on the 2011 model year and represents the hatchback model that was featured in the World Rally Championships before Subaru left that sport. Here we have a Honda Civic Type R, first produced in 2019, debuted in the Nightburner series. And whether you're driving on the street or on the track, a Type R is totally rad. At least that's what Wiki said about it. Its sculpted hood scoops cool the 306 horsepower 2-liter turbocharged engine. And here we have a very popular Mazda RX-7. First produced in 2012, debuted in the 2012 New Models series. The Mazda RX-7 release represents the 1979 through 1980 SA22C series of the RX-1s. This is an 82 Nissan Skyline R30. First produced in 2018, debuted in the Factory Fresh series. The 82 Skyline R30 is an iconic car, but lesser known than its more famous forebears such as the C10 or the GTX or GTR. Hope you enjoyed the show. How about we enjoy a little bit of racing? Yes, I got some bonus exhibition racing for you. Here we go. All right, a little six-banger to pop things off for you. Some of these cars you may have seen racing in that OMR report that I recently released. And we got that new Mazda taking the lead through there. And the Cadillac came up in last. Not a bad time there, 579. Here we have a Honda Type R against that Subaru. And the Subaru takes the lead going into that first 180 and down the newly constructed pipeline into Calamity Corner. And it's got a good lead going down Memorial Drive and across that finish line in the time of 573. All right, I believe this is the Mazda RX-7. Yes, and the Skyline, the 82 Skyline takes the lead going down the pipeline into Calamity Corner. Down Memorial Drive, still holding on to that lead with the Mazda chasing it and crossing that finish line in another 573. We got the Toyota Celica on the inside, and Mazda Subaru just took off like lit lightning down the pipeline into the Memorial Drive now with a crazy big lead, and the Celica gets curbside going over the finish line. And we got the Subaru against the 82 Skyline. The 82 Skyline passes them going down the pipeline, but gets backwards in the Calamity Corner, manages to hang on and cross that finish line in a 6.53. All right, we got the Skyline on the outside, and this is the new Batista on the inside, taking the lead down pipeline into Calamity Corner. Down Memorial Drive, gets a little tap from the Skyline and spins out there across the finish line, but the Skyline couldn't get around him. And another six-banger race here of all the cars you just seen racing. That Skyline's on the inside pole position, if you would call it that. And going down Memorial Drive already well ahead of the pack. I don't know what happened to everybody else. They got hung up seriously. Oh, there they are. Subaru crosses in second, and everybody else gets held up by the Mazda and that Toyota. And we got a couple rigs up at the top of the mountain. And let's see what they can do, how they can handle the newly renovated OMR. Seem to be handling it. Oh, I thought that red truck almost went off the track up there at the top of Memorial Drive. But they all made it down across that finish line. Not a bad time either for that first place, 6:05. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the show. I hope you enjoyed the exhibition bonus racing. And I hope you enjoyed the video all in all. Please click that like or leave some comments. I like the comments. And if you're not already a subscriber, please Click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the action and happenings here at the Obsidian Mountain Raceway. Thank you all for tuning in. I have another car show coming up for you soon. I also have a driver sign up that I'm going to be putting out very soon for you for the Team Mixer Challenge. There we go. Obsidian Mountain Team Mixer Challenge coming up, and also the Totem Wars are going to be kicking off soon. So a lot of stuff happening here at the OMR. Stay tuned and keep your roof to the sun. Thanks again for watching. Mahalo, aloha, very much appreciated.